Hey guys, it's Feffie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a rice dish. It's called Nasi Kuning, also known as Nasi Kunyit. It's an Indonesian rice dish. Oh wait, don't forget to click the subscribe button followed by the notification bell so you don't have to miss any of my future videos. What makes it so delicious is the amazing herbs that you use when cooking it. I will list the ingredients down below. Take a look at it and let's get started. So you're going to need 2 cups of pandan rice. Make sure you wash it. And then you're going to need 3 garlic cloves and about 5 grams of ginger. Make sure to chop the garlic and to grate the ginger. That way you create a paste. I used 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. You can also use the fresh turmeric, but then you have to blend it or grate it, and a teaspoon of salt. Then you're gonna use about 3 cups of coconut milk. Make sure it's the creamy, thick coconut milk. And you want to mix this. Try to get rid of the clumps of the turmeric powder. And then you're gonna need 2 lime leaves, 1 salam leaf, and a stalk of lemongrass. You can find them at many different tokos here in the Netherlands and probably in some grocery stores. They very often sell the dried salam leaves or the dried lemon leaves, but you can also use that. And then you want to leave it steam for about 10 minutes. And just make sure, check up on your rice after a while to see if it's cooked and ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and comment below when you're gonna make it, how it turned out, and if you like it. Bye!